Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dell docking station instant fix step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Dell docking station from its box. Ensure all components are present, including the power adapter and cables. Place the docking station on a stable surface near your laptop. Connect the power adapter to the docking station. Plug the other end of the power adapter into a wall outlet. Next, locate your laptop's USB-C or Thunderbolt port. If your laptop supports USB-C connection, connect it directly to the docking station. For older models, use the HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-A ports accordingly. If connecting to an HDMI or DisplayPort, use the appropriate cable to link your laptop to your monitor via the docking station. Once the cables are connected, power on your laptop. Wait a moment for the laptop to recognize the docking station and any connected peripherals. Check that the docking station's LED indicator lights up, showing a successful connection. If using external monitors, access your display settings on your laptop. Choose the option to extend or duplicate your display as desired. For additional peripherals like a keyboard or mouse, plug them into the USB ports on the docking station. Ensure that all devices connected are functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, disconnect the docking station and reconnect it after a short pause. Adjust settings in your laptop if needed to ensure optimal performance. Your Dell docking station is now successfully connected and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.